What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, Tech Geek ROD, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at, let's see here, this right here, the mini astronaut projector light. Like, this is probably something that's going to go in the bathroom. It's going to go just, somewhere random. Look at this item. Like, look at this. So we're finna take a look at this. We're gonna get it unboxed. We're gonna see what's all on the inside. And of course, you can pick this up at Walmart for like I want to say $5.99. You can pick this up at Walmart for $5.99. Maybe under $10. You can pick this up. And this is just something, just to add some aesthetics to your home or some lighting and things like that. And as you can see, look at the box, the back of the box. You can see that, yeah, it's just something just to have, in a separate room or things like that, or to add lighting to your room or bathroom or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at this. We're finna get it unboxed. I'm finna grab my knife. We're finna cut this open and we're gonna see what it do. All right, y'all. Yes. So yeah, let's see here. I don't have my Jason Voorhees knife or whatever from the Friday the 13th, but I do have a little something that I can cut this box or thing. We gotta do the typical slam. Okay. that's yeah, as far as it went. Just yeah, that's it. So let's get this opened up. Look, there's just some tape right there. There's some tape on this side. So let me get that cut open and we'll kind of take it from there. So let's see here. So inside the box, let's open it up. See what comes in here. A little of this, a little of that. Working with one hand. I'm not using my tripod. Trying to get this open. So it looks like we have a USB cable and what's on the other end. Okay, so yeah, it's like a proprietary USB cable. You can't just use this with your cell phone and things of that nature, because this end, yeah, it's USB-C, but the opposite end is proprietary. You have to specifically have a device to plug it in. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see what else is in here. Cardboard. Just shake everything out the box. Yeah, because I ain't got time. Okay, so you got the little device here, the little figurine. A little of this, little of that, so you can stand on a table or stand on the shelf or wherever you got to place them at. And then of course that mirror right there, as I bring the plastic down, that mirror right there is going to showcase the light so that it shows the colors and stuff on the wall or whatever have you. So yeah, okay, little this, little that, and we're going to show all that in this video. So let me get that unfolded, put that to the side. We don't need that anymore. We got in a instruction booklet right here. USB power cord, projector, front, top. You would think that, yeah, I'm gonna figure all this out on my own. Like, we're not gonna need that. We're not gonna need that either. I'm gonna figure all this out on my own because I'm Tech Geek ROD. And also, this came in there. So maybe this is the stand for the foot or the bottom of the figurine, so that, yeah, it can have proper texture with the with the ground or whatever, so it can stand up straight and it won't fall over and things of that nature. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get all of this configured and put together, and I'm gonna plug in the USB cable, and we're gonna see how this looks. I'm probably gonna put this in the bedroom. The kids, no, not the bedroom, the bathroom. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom, so that, yeah, when the kids go in there, there's some light and some color and things of that nature. So, but yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Tech Geek RLD, and of course, yeah, I think they said the head rotates. There we go. So yeah, the head rotates up and down, left and right. So you can aim it at the wall or aim it at whatever direction you want to aim it at. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the kids' bathroom, so that at least when they take a shower or go to bed and things like that, or come to the bathroom, there will be some light in there. It won't just be dark. So, but anyways, talk amongst yourselves. Talk amongst yourselves. So of course, while I'm doing the video, I want to touch on how the base and the power connector connects. So of course, you take this in, and you just plug it up here to the head, and it just fits right in place. But when it comes to the base or the bottom, you have to kind of like just align it. You have to line it with the feet, because it doesn't make like a secure connection. You have to like rotate the feet, because the feet are rotatable, and yeah, each foot is rotatable, and you have to align that with the feet on here so that the device stays in place. But at the same time, the plug just plugs into the head right there, and then the other end is let me grab that. The other end is USB, so you can plug this to any kind of like USB on the wall or things of that nature. And I'll showcase all of that when I get it hooked up. So yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned. Talk amongst yourselves. Well, apparently I was having some issues with this mini astronaut projector light. I had to go to the manual. I ain't gonna lie, I had to go to the manual. So apparently at the top right there, there's an on and off button, you know, because I assume, okay, if I plug it into USB, it would just power on. But no, you have to tap that number 3 right there to power it on. So let's go take a look at that. Let's go see how it looks. Yes, and it's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. So okay, this is the kids' bathroom. This is it. This is it. And of course, yes, you see the light right there. The astronaut just glaring and bright and all of that situation. And let me go over here to the astronaut. You can aim the head, like if you can tilt it and move it and things of that nature. You can move it. But now, yeah, my kids have a lava lamp. They got Pikachu. And of course, I'm gonna remove all these AC plugs. I'm gonna put those like in a drawer or closet or something like that. But yeah, this is it. And like I said, if you go over here to you have to tap the top of, let me see if I can do it. You have to tap like right here, somewhere around here. Yeah, right there. And it turns it on and off. I did not know that. I was thinking like, okay, if I made the connection to USB, it would just cut on. But no, once you plug it to USB on the outlet, you have to tap this area at the top to turn it on and off. You have to tap it. You have to tap it. And yeah, they do make that very clear in the instruction manual or whatever. So I was trying to figure out like, okay, I plugged it up. Like, why is it not working? I'm thinking I had a defected device, but no. You got to come over here and tap this area, and then it turns on. So this is kind of how it looks. This is what the lights cut off. You know, it's nice and bright. You can see the rainbow effect kind of like right there at the bottom right there. You can see all that, and it goes to the ceiling. Like, okay, Walmart or whatever company made this, they came correct. The kids are going to definitely like this. So now they have a lava lamp and Pikachu, even though Pikachu's missing a ear right there. And they have an astronaut. They gonna learn today. So it's your boy Randall D. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Y'all know what time it is. Tech Geek ROD. Alright, y'all.